Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the Face ID setup now. First, make sure you have a device passcode because Face ID won't activate without it. Once you're in Settings, tap Face ID and passcode and choose Set up Face ID to begin. Hold the iPhone X at roughly arm's length, about 25 to 50 centimeters, and keep your face centered in the frame. Make sure any sunglasses or heavy face coverings are removed so the camera can map your features accurately. We'll capture your face next. Now you'll perform the 2 required face scans. Follow the on-screen circle and slowly rotate your head to complete a full head rotation. The system needs frontal and side data. Make sure your eyes remain open and you look at the true depth camera during the scan so it captures eye and eyelid position. If you frequently wear glasses, a hat, or heavy makeup, tap Add Alternate Appearance after the initial setup, so Face ID learns both looks and improves recognition in varied conditions. Finish by enabling the specific features you want Face ID to unlock: iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Apple Pay, and third-party apps. Lock the phone and test unlocking from a natural angle and normal distances to confirm reliable performance. Poor lighting or extreme angles can cause temporary failures. If Face ID repeatedly fails, restart your iPhone X first. If that doesn't help, go back to Settings and choose Reset Face ID. Then repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.